सुप्रथा. दिस इज कविता कोपरकर. नवरात्री सीरीज चालू आहे and we are trying to show you sarees in 9 different colors this Navratri. So today's color is yellow. As you can see, I'm wearing a beautiful tissue gadwal from our handloom gadwal collection. It's a very pretty saree. Resham butta all over with this kadiyal border. We also have some different colors in this tissue gadwal. So yes, this is the pallu. But let me show you the other sarees as well. We've also showcased a very pretty gadwal here on our mannequin. So please go ahead, check this out. This is a lovely fresh yellow color. It has this light peachish pink color in its border. Meenakari border, Paithani inspired border ahe. The butta also, if you see, the butta on the saree is in alternate zari and it is in 2 different shapes. So it's a very pretty one. Let me show you the pallu nicely. This is the pallu. It's a very elegant combination. Because the pink is a nice light shade, the combination looks much subtle. It does not look very stark in terms of a bright yellow with a bright pink. So instead that pink is very soft, so I think it looks very nice. So yes, this is it. This saree, if you want, just take a screenshot of this saree. Just keep this saree on the screen once. Take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp team. We'll let you know the price of these sarees. This is a handloom gadwal, so is this. And I'm going to show a beautiful irkal now. A beautiful sunshine yellow and bright emerald green color. It's a very beautiful pure silk handloom irkal. A very pretty one. It has this elaborate temple design. Irkal sarees are very simplistic yet very richly woven. They are one of the oldest handloom sarees woven in India. So yes, this is the saree pallu. It comes with a contrast blouse. If you like the saree, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is a very beautiful Kanjivaram. It's a beautiful handloom Kanjivaram saree. This combination is also unique. And if you are somebody who wants to wear a Kanjivaram but you don't want that usual broad border that you get to see in Kanjivarams, then this is a perfect saree for you, because both the borders, both the sides, the borders are nice and delicate. They are not too heavy. The border is very nicely, intricately woven. It's a beautiful sunshine yellow with a royal blue color in its border. If you see closely, the border also has this magenta color towards the end of it. And just look at the pallu design. So yes, this is the very pretty pallu. It's a very beautiful Kanjivaram. If you like this one, go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is this very pretty, beautiful, pure Katan silk handloom saree. Just look at this. It's a very traditional, authentic yellow combination. So if you want, if there's any haldi function, or if there's any function wherein yellow is the theme, then this is a very classic combination with yellow. A beautiful sunshine yellow with red. This is it. This is the pallu. If you like this saree, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is from our Malay silk collection. Just look at this saree. It's a brilliant shade of yellow. Very pretty, very nicely woven. This is a traditional Banarasi jal design, but made on Malay silk, which is a power loom fabric which resembles mushroom silk in handloom Banarasis. So yes, this is it. It's a very pretty single colored Banarasi saree. If you like this one, go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. It's a very beautiful shade of yellow. This one, asa thoda sa light lemon yellow sarkha color. It's a light pastel greenish yellow color. So if you can imagine a shade which is in between lime green and lemon yellow, then this is something like that, and it has this very pretty fresh leafy green in its borders. A beautiful gadwal. Please remember, handloom gadwals are very easy to drape. They are very easy to carry. You can carry them for any day long occasion. So yes, this is it. If you like it, please go ahead, take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. So this was our collection of yellow sarees. We have many yellow sarees in stock here at our store at Bhandarkar Road in Pune. We are soon opening a store in Thane at Ram Maruti Road. Stay tuned for all our updates. Also, we are coming up with our exhibitions. Please go to our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube and make sure you read about the exhibition updates as well. Thank you.